Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching TubeMint. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java JDK. That's going to be 17 and 21 is already released. So we are going to download and install JDK 21. So simply go ahead and open your preferred web browser and Google Java JDK and click the link from oracle.com and this should take you to this Java downloads page. I will leave this link in the description and you can see from here you can download and install 17 and 21. So for this video we are going to download and install 21. If you need 17, you can simply click 17 and then your operating system type, which is Windows, and you can download 64-bit. So there is no 32-bit installer here. I'm going to click on 21, JDK 21, and then click Windows, and I'm going to use this installer. So go ahead and click here. This is only 64-bit release and this will take a little bit of time. Now OpenJDK Early Access Build. If you need OpenJDK Early Access Build, you can click this link and you can download OpenJDK from here. JDK 23, 22, etc. So Java JDK 21 for Windows 64-bit installer is downloaded. Click on this, locate wherever it's been downloaded on your system and let this open. Okay, you can always go to your folder wherever it is downloaded and double click on it and then click yes on the UAC and let the installer launch. Click next. This is where it's going to be installed. So under C directory program files Java folder JDK 21, click next, and in just few seconds it should be installed on your system. So this will download and install compiler and runtime. So Java C and Java, you can run these both commands if you're downloading installing Java for, let's say, Spring or Android SDK, Android Studio. You're good to go. You just need to know where it is installed. So I'm going to quickly show you where it is installed. You can also, if you're looking for earlier releases, you can go to Java archive and you can see 11. If you need any specific release, you can go there and you can see this is installed. So complete, successfully installed, close it. If you want to explore API documentation, developer guides, you can click here or you can click close. So I'm going to leave all this link in the description. Now let me quickly go ahead and launch my CMD and show you the Java is 21.0.1. Java C is also error, so we need to say errors. Here we go. So you got everything and you can run your Java programs. You got Java shell, Java shell takes a bit longer to launch. So here we go, you got everything that you need to have on your system. Once you have your Java JDK installed, downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and let me open a folder that has few Java cool programs, compiled programs. So let's say this is java.hello. Let's see what does it do. So this is a simple Java program, you can see. So what it does, it takes few arguments and prints. So let me check. Let me see if I remember this program. Oops. So I'm going to use inbuilt terminal here and Java. Hello. Let's see. Enter a number, it could be anything. So, okay, so you're basically asking to enter a scanner. So I'm using a scanner this to take the numbers time. Okay, so you typed welcome. This is a very simple program. You can just pause the video and go through this. This is what it does. So I'm also trying to basically print out the first argument. You can see. So if you do not give it an argument, it is going to throw an error. So that's why we were getting this error before. Guys, this is how you can download and install Java JDK on your system, Microsoft Windows operating system, and make sure it is running. If so, the benefit of using this installer, you don't have to go and set the path. Otherwise, you can go to Java JDK bin, just copy this and oops, copy this. So I'm going to copy and then go to variables, system variables, environment variables, select path under the system variables, edit it, and you can see if it is not already there, just locate it. If it is not there, just add it. Okay, so it's going to be available to third-party applications as well. So you can see you've got everything here. Java C.exe, Java, so jar. You would be able to run these commands. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment. Bye for now.